Okay, sama Obi Akwaba and Fambra Accra Life. So, and then I am on the 6th of February 2021. And then Thursday now, Sunday Onimono. It's your Thursday, said Accra Life Rock Club Fan Games. Interactions are in the various clubs are participating. Our Jumadimu and a Baby Disa and Comona Sunday Onimono. Then 2 clubs and a Baby and Como, a City of God, and I think on Mavic. One I about in common, I will Jumadi. So now, Yaship, I'm going to these 2 clubs, you know, were prepared towards the Accra live fan games. Everybody so on the 27th of February 2021. So much fun. I will Jumadi Imo. Our internet, you know, BBS. So when you bring out or share live on Facebook, Sansana, YouTube, Accra Live GHR, and so on. With me, I share our honor. And Momona Sikase and come meeting of production. Joe, on any stuff for your things, and can quest programs manager. Once on Nasikase and cop and for Emma, and now things on Nasibium and go and for my main headline sponsor, a Dutan group in a Dutan presidential court and so on. As someone, and for Nasikase and co and for supported by BHG Studios. Samsung and Eastman advertising at the states, Kumi Concept, Mimi School Set, and our things, and then Jumaku, major pharmacy, when you're Akabuma, Eddie Jumadino, Etumi, Eddie Ebre, Etiafut, Yamo Bibi Aqua, and Fambra, Accra Live, so our Facebook. But I say, so I bring it on your Munya Bray, I don't share now. Send your own no, yes, sir, you might be a son. I recommend almost. You know, I have interactions. Send ya, and the Jumedia da Accra Life and so. Our team at Asono, developing our community through the youth, and I say, ask you to know, about me, achieve such a theme. I know you start about a month ago. I ended the lights of Travel and See, our new vibrant. And so many class sailors, Munina, let me have interactions. And what is our class? One and see, I do what you have to go. So, in a brain, I don't know what to be bad. Every Piemono, also a church and Semo, at the Alpha One Club, now friends in preparation towards the fun gives. Everybody wants to watch it. All these clubs in Chamba, Sunday, I kind and then the City of God, the YRC boys, yes, and then you meet one, our Hannah face, you know, I have a very, very interesting conversation. Our Hannah said, and then I Kwame and Ponsa, Eddie, I wish you made an say. Na fancy the competition Eddie Abramo I say but and I think I see him and come Obibia in Otimi and Abre I share all face one aroma and then young son of the to me up anymore and for us and for movie or share live Eddie Facebook for Sunday and then City of God one and then Babe having interaction so no and me, I call them YRC boys because Osha will sue anyone bang will sue anyone. 1 year away now, you are more like we will say, you know, Jamaicans, yes, about decency, they are part about discipline. Just say, BBM for haunting a tar, and I may a frail, I don't know. And then all height is same, or height is same, you know, and then. Be asking again, you know, come on. Send them in the City of God, and then you know about have it, competition, you know, and then in China and Chevisa. But questions are maybe some sort of, you know, I'm not seeing the City of God for bad or by fear him. Now, one describe one come on, some kakra, I will have. But then you 2 guys, our studio, man, about Bidi, and come on, I will have said, no, I feel so, I am a wobble in him. I feel so, I know maybe a position I will cry, oh, City of God, you either so be a president and as a member of the group, and also, you didn't come on, no fear. I'm starting to film the first minute, I'm not bonny, I feel so, position of our group in him.
We are I begin to conduct our side. I'm a City of God president.
Just say, more president and Ankasawa had the number 1 gentleman of the group as a club, you know. Our Hamen and Ababedin come. I'm coming Sabin Kumsuna, Mimi Samini as in any position of God.
Yo, for me, Raskamina. Missing I'm a City of God organizer.
I just say, you know, Raskamina. ɛwɔ ha no eyi wa mama kai me secondary school social teacher on the friend ras kwamina aha nti ne ras ɛwɔ ha no ana yɛ organizer ɛde ma City of God a yɛne wɔn ɛba abɛdi nkɔmmɔ right away ma mehyɛ ase mfɛmfi Mr. President so sɛ ma me misa wo ne City of God mobile mfi ahene na den dwumadi ana City of God mo yɛ
yɛmfa ne kakra City of God no yɛba yɛakyɛ na n'adeng ni na ɛnhyeta ma obi anteeɛ ɛyɛ nnuanom na ɔfɛ yɛwɔ borɔn baako so tipiti yɛ mmɔfra sɛ fiti 90s ne nyinaa na yɛnyini ne sɛ ɛbɛka yɛn hwabom ne atowko nti wohwɛ yɛakɔkɔ yɛasɔ mmerantewa a yɛsi so na yɛaka yɛn ho abom sɛ ɛbɛtew sɛ akɔ yi nti kyɛ de yɛakyɛ na deng no na ɛmpue saa nti yɛakyɛ de
na dwumadi pɔte bɛn na agya mo bɛɛ mudi
wohwɛ yɛn moto a yɛn asɛm ɛka nyare sɛ unity is strength brɔng na yɛte so no wohu sɛ sɛ wote brɔng so a ɛsono sɛnea wote baabi gyefa no sɛ estate wo sɛ wɔ brɔng so a obi asɛm yɛ obi asɛm but sɛ wowɔ estate deɛ a ɛsane wall to ne de nti obi a wɔ ne fi but yɛn de baabi a ɛwɔ no de yɛaka yɛn ho abom te sɛ nnuanom yɛn yi obi mfim obi nya asɛm a yɛboa no ne mu yɛade yɛn kuru ne ɛwɔ mu no yɛwɔ artists yɛwɔ artisans yɛwɔ how do you call it dressmakers tailors yɛfɔ kwan mi so sɛ biribiara wɔn products wɔn bɛba no ɛbɛyɛ sɛ ebi tí wɔn market ama wɔn nso wɔn akɔ wɔn anim dwumadi bia wodi biara ɛbɛma mpunti aba bɔn no so no ɛbɛboa wɔn ne mu ayɛ kuu nankasa yɛ kuu nankasa no yɛgye asase a yɛn nso yɛyɛ afuo nti akro farms nfuo a wɔyɛ yɛwɔ sɛ wɔtɔ aburo ne ade yɛn nsa wɔm bi nti yɛn nso yɛn de yɛ ne na yɛnyɛ kuu a biribi a yɛbɛyɛ biara no yɛde to social media nti sɛ ɔmmaa yɛn hɔ yɛ a wohu dwumadi a yɛdi nti yɛn de yɛtim paa
na ɔwia sɛ din bebree wɔ hɔ na ɛnsi na mofa City of God
asekyerɛ bebree wɔ hɔ wohu sɛ yɛwɔ Kuropɔn na wohu sɛ mmerantewa bebree abɔ kyenku ne ade na wɔgu faako a na akɔyɛ sɛ wɔmpɛ biribi ayɛ asɛmbɔne bi wɔde wɔn ani sa wɔn nso na yɛrekyerɛ wɔn sɛ yɛpɛ din bi akyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɛnyɛ din te sɛ wohyɛ mu na yɛwɔ rastani ɛno ma no nyɛ nipa abɔne nti na yɛrekyerɛ wɔn sɛ kuu no a yɛatɛw no nyɛ nipa abɔne kuu nyamesom kakra wɔ mu obu wɔ mu nti sɛ wodi yɛn akyi kakra hwɛ berɛ a yɛreyɛ football tournament yi a yɛmpɛ ne borɔn a yɛn ho ama asɛm yɛmpɛ ne obi anya asɛm wobɛdi ma danse a nti ne yɛpɛ din bi a yɛde bɛfa a wɔhu sɛ o ɛnyɛ mmɔfrabɔne kuu bi kɛkɛ na ɛyɛ kuu a obu ne adesua ne nyamesom wɔ mu nti ne yɛfa ne saa
Mami nko Ras Kwame na ono ye organizer Edma City of God. Ras. Then na ma journey City of God. Then ni wasanga san ko ani mu abe organizer. Edi ama eye club no.
Oh okay. Em say kunu we start no. The ade a esi won ni so ade a wo de esi won ni so no. Mi tietie mu no ni ade no. No say yɛnyina yɛka bom na yɛyɛ saa ɛbɛboa nti na ma mede me ho kɔhyɛ
ɛnyɛ sɛ nneɛma a wɔde gu apɔn so a wogye di sɛ ɛbɛboa ano nti na ma wojoin ne na wonim sɛ de Ghana ha ɔne wiase afa na nkora mbo no nnipa no bi wɔ perception bi ade fa sɛbe yɛ nuanom a wɔyɛ wɔayɛ locks yi wɔ group yi mu sɛbe womfele odd ɔsɛ wo nuanom yɛgya president bɛyɛ ɔne downcat ɔkɔyɛ rase womfele odd ɛwɔ group no mu.
Yeah, me feel it odd because Obi dream you say Abia they didn't see, you know, but we are there to prove them wrong. What you are saying? Why do you now war me hono? Me person me ben now say yes I net.
In Sonia and what president Adama City of God ala fin so no the organizer Adama ku in so no what they want some kaka etimi ade atuga but ebe ko na fin maybe sir president Arifa na we say games fan games na reba so on the 27th of February na me bankwanga fan games na reba so team that Jumedi no so developing our community as a youth and as youth na Akula life for na hyehyɛ what you say this team I feel like for fire, you know. Development, how can we develop Okapman? Youth, you know, government so maybe to offer aka yen one develop Okapman.
What a team now, say development today. It can never take place in the place of disunity. It is first and foremost, I say you unify your home. It is team that immediate to us. Now, say Mranto wa no youth na yewu kuma say kan yehu buma. Nyesi yen nsu ni bitima. Na ka so otima say na not for the frame, I could like frame so worry away say no. Many day papa because not for so long ye yari fi wokra na ye shada in shia say kropon ma say ye dey goda bomu say nti say when na botabi say so be kan bibia ma mranso wa na mama wa ni ya kan ye hu aboma aye ye ngani di nti me tu kro no so bia so eyi ama
na activities no also your draft ebe ko hiking Dutan Presidential Forest mo aerobics speed in ludu na waro my prepared city of God my ready somebody take part our activities mo na the na mo je dey mo wetu me din kunu ana say overall performance mo fa
yent mi kese be fa ni nyina but we na say e pa ni nyina dey say yanga dey benya highest points
okay na the na make sure the na wetu my
speed me yade or me yade
but mama ko ras activities no do so ras for the entire Jamaica for class 7 time qualify my World Cup and my Olympics you can say that Jamaica for ras then with activity when I with my
okay me boss snooker
okay na just say ras here ras say keke no what about snooker yade
no hi that's where we're going to show you people say you know Rastafari is about everything, you know. So we are into win.
Okay. Then send out say Ras just say new locks, you know. Nemo na nsano aneja odi snooker na snooker party bit me but Ras the quick one mama fan fail na me visa ajuma portable na said
I'm a fashion designer, me famadi.
Okay, na just say who you designer then no for if you kika boma etumi should be atare okay make sure you dress in the na champa because me muta and I down and say colors na kika bo na ja ampa ntene no raskwame na ono no organizer University of God ana ochemu just ono say ban snooker very good sounds now fashion designer ana ya professional ja opamade ntene we so Mr. President akasa University of God hano say yadin come on teaching no eba me cause all share live Facebook there Akro Live Samsung YouTube channel no Akro Live GHR and City of God for area having interaction as part of Akro Live fan club games and eba so no let me bro then nya akwenya betu akọ Facebook na wa share wa like page no share na odo commenting so let me aba prepare mu no betumi akenkan ama but Mr. President you wo my buy me say na say me di kan bo your part 2 need the question and answers I don't know me could have me gina me new questions maybe sir can the part 2 or if you prepare no part 2 ni ba we asasa questions no let me amaya but President mama Mr. were you o je di say class the work propose nyina no bitima kan ho abom na ja propose akodu a certain level nipa no from afar no propose no ka sampa propose youth and as a fan club the work propose na ja no tima kan ho abom in terms of development na what me dey propose akodu some stage
mani chade ho ba ko ne say me hu ni say bibia yi shia say yedi ngani na ekuku na we propose no say yi ko de da no asa won kura so won shia na nkoye te say Akro Live pen na wa free bibia na say tingo fro na free bibi mpenfu so betuma chiga we propose ha no so ka ko ntia bom ai bibi foforo sa who say yenya a unified goal as the team suggests yenya a unified goal na second lane so eba no club games is na ya kensi nti I don't know for one side kensi yenya e be one because competition was in term but say be na common goal say we ya na e be na wo mu So what you must say, we even know the competition in the back of but yeah, we should come out as one team.
But Ras, maybe so. We organize them. We just say, City of God challenges and that dozen. Before I come to me, I can one boom. I make the meetings near the back of Sonia. Then ending challenges better. You personally, as an organizer, who feels and our feels in the club as a whole, City of God, who feels it.
Oh, what we say, nipa ho ade die. Esun be bia nyina ye fi. E na ye ba be ka ye ho abom. Na ye ade ba ko. Ye de butai ba ko asi ye ni so. Intino e be ye di. But din so still, you know, we have to push on. Challenges need there be brave. Like I say, because you know, e be check. Na so yaguso. Yes, yaguso as school no. You know, you go you face you try say you better the challenges in this.
But where are the BB? I mean, sorry, Orica BB, but the son of Ras are born a tough and the challenges. Obiara or world society will be who face the challenges, but it's up to you. Say, you better come one boom. You will push it hard now. Was still true. You know, my mother was saying it to me, but when for part 2 into a super part 2, no, yeah, the better so. Eddie Amam, but send your own part 2, no, and press over talk a BB.
Let me be some question back.
Oh, okay.
Question and answers, no. I idea Max, no. About augment games,
David, where young show now, your course, young part 2, and a question answer, but on a day, a different from games, sir. We have we pressure be in my book. So, in the City of God, my one, in some send I won't know. Nina, I can't be. It's a major questions. The producer, yeah, questions in ready, Mamma. Mr. President, Edema City of God. May I call them the YRC guys? Was a Banyama Waya. Then I would make our home, it to an among I am many, it's me, Ejipa, our honor. It's a name, sir, Anna, before the producer. One of my questions, you know. One of my questions, you know. Okay. It's so papers now ready. I ready there. Or the manner, or the Amaras, Ras. Papers here, woman. Ukra. Now, Senator is there. Oh, so now. Let us move up. Be able to make. We are question numbers now also. The question number we maybe some question. Ukra 3 points. And 3 questions. Ana maybe sir. Ras over Buami. But also na kakra na bia no obeso yibia no president we di kan na president we ya wa me question number no eja etimi question number 5 as a nation December 7th is notified for which event? Ghana yenya o man December 7th you made the party by Ghana man yidi
general elections.
Who finance?
Yeah.
Which my confirm, yeah, man. Say, who finance?
General elections.
Correct. On the 7th of December, no, Ghana, you have the general elections. That was how you to me, Eddie, young man, penny. The producer, Bemina, Jenna, Eja Ubu, Mamiana, Biansono, I come, you know, Ras, shaky, you know, thank you. Question number 4. Question number 4 is how many lecture areas does a brew has? Then you know where brew yi. Then you know where brew ya. A lecture area Anna. Wow, one room. What are you now? Okay.
1.
What is it?
1.
And shut down to
1.
And I had the final and the correct answer. Anyone will be just one lecture area. Young final question. Okay. President now. We should be and we are no about all these 0 points. Akoda, we get the City of God and edit or the 9. And so no wait to me. Question number 6. No bit my eye. Question number 6 today. Send a mission. Dada, question number 6. Am I ready? Okay. Question number 6. Also, what is the full meaning of GPRTU? what is the full meaning of GPRTU? Then I have for car, I can GPRTU. A driver for Ghana, one can one money a day. What is the full meaning of GPRTU?
Ghana Private Road Transport Unions.
What does it?
Ghana Private Road Transport Unions.
Correct. City of God. Ghana Private Road Transport Union. I know, and the full meaning of GPRTU. Anyone over here, Monty Asano, and any meaning of GPRTU, and Mr. President, and my City of God. What me at the out to Ghana, and then only the only club went to score 9 out of 9. But send a score 9, mean Yamamonko, my mamma bonus question, and if me am when I made my bonus question. Okay. I'm going to Fantel, on the day Momono, on the 27th of Mishama, but to me at the amount. Sir. I know BBS, sir, Unya Brain now share. But Yaruki, who find out what's advice, babe. And I remember the youth, walk a crop home, and I feel the show never so. Then I kind of found, who find out what's.
Oh, we find out what's the never can near Hobrasi. There be a fibra, as you meet me last in our Hobrasi assembly kind. Yes, I make a choice. Yeah, last game say you can't see any of your myself. Because not nearly as some you could catch Rubia. Ahobrase oha na ne wonu aka no obenya abotare na watena se because obi anya ne biribi akwa ne di fane yasa won tena se kra o ahobrase a witi na asema betena se ti ende ye muta afie de na ma ya ahobrase
na then abeka edacha akula say ni wotimi dis a jumedi ederebaso
fida akula sa dia so na baso ya na ya gba ebe hia bia na pe kwa na fe no se enye obi ya na otimi initiate program be say it is otimi initiate be say ya not the whole team of Akola yakasi na minshiramu na yanso ya hwese program no betonsu ye di yan ho den ne yanso ya do ma beta echi
na o adofu bi tifu bi a obechi awon
every single member of City of God na ye abushia kese wo akogaso ye teacher akogaso to nyina
that was it Ras the right man answer. Find out what advice be at my coupon you took a man you then I can add a tip.
Okay. Nyame say united we stand, divided we fall. So yanka ye humbom. And I need also yada one share program no yada wasi. Yes, Acrolife. Yada obiasi. Yes, I him say more of this will be coming on. Yo,
that's yes, that's it. And in Rascamina on your organizer, Adama, a City of God, and our tenant Kano, and the president, and so it's me a buy. And now I say, send over Pumum, or Jim say, developing a cropono is a yame bonus. In Yanka Humbum. Na yemfa ukwafman and say compon especially impuntu enye yem priority na ote say na wansi waka bibi kakra e de fa one group and they friend City of God ho o change the perception and nipa bibi ewo e de fa sa group no any want to clarify e change say one it's about unity and I know one so what share all one important what can say bibi e wa hameda wan sepa person say it mean the question of the day and as the question and answers at the buy and they want to me try 9 out of 9. And the most difficult question on the show ever no want me answer so ewo ho mama da wan say we pray mo ewo ha and obibia say Acrolife the town presidential court yenda wan say the town group sansana major pharmacy yenda wan say Adi States Kumi concept sansana BHG studios Siman advertising and our face no Mimi's closet wonyina yenda wan say you want me support yen ama eri jimedi no so no Ebro Life, Facebook. So I'm kind of Facebook and I share YouTube some. Game videos are rolling out so no. Wait my call na wako share. Meeting and then na kwame am concern the Acrolife Repro Club Fan Games was developing our community through the youth. Uchunka.